Welcome to South Dakota. Cornfields as far as the eyes can see. This is such a beautiful state. We just left Sioux City and we're headed to Sioux Falls and then Rapid City. Hey everybody, it's Karen and Paul with Food and Family. We just kind of wanted to take you along with us for a minute.
Good morning.
And we left Monday morning. We left Alabama. We've been through several states. We went through Mississippi, Tennessee,
7.
Arkansas, Missouri, Iowa, and into South Dakota. And we'll go to Sioux Falls and then over to Rapid City, where we plan on visiting Mount Rushmore.
Rushmore.
Yes, we want to see Mount Rushmore and Chief Crazy Horse, and look that one up if you haven't. And it's real interesting. And then there's a mammoth dig that is around in that area that I would love to go to. And I was just reading about it again. And supposedly there's 61 mammals or the skeletal remains of animals, prehistoric, that have been recovered in that area.
Cool.
And so I think that would be interesting to see. But we want to go to the Badlands National Park. Have any of you ever been to the Badlands? I don't know. It's just what we've seen and short videos that we've watched and pictures. It just looks like it's a beautiful area. And of course, go through the Black Hills that are all right up there. But we're on a long trip and we want to take you with us. And
I could get used to this 80-mile-an-hour speed limit on the interstate.
Speed limit went from, we've been up and down. We've been in 45, 65, 70. We hit South Dakota 75. And it went to 80. We're not used to 80-mile-an-hour speed limits. Remember, we're from Central Alabama. But coming through Missouri, we were headed to Branson, and I don't know if our GPS got us off on a different road. Didn't matter. We were on a 2-lane highway for, what did we say, 2.5, 3 hours? And hey everybody. And we were on this highway, and it was literally a roller coaster. It was up, down, around the curves. And it was, when you're on a road, you're driving and you go up and down and up again, and your stomach kind of goes bloop, bloop. That's what was happening. But it was beautiful country out there. It was farmland. And, but you have to make sure you're fueled up. And I don't think, I saw a gas station.
No,
we might have gone through one little bitty area that had a couple of stores. We did find $1 General.
went by a windmill farm. That was neat. It was a small one.
Yes, it was.
Big windmills.
And we saw that. So he got off of the interstate, and we went. I'll have pictures for you guys. And but he got off the interstate, and we went there and found that and saw them and took what pictures we could get from the highway. But it is just beautiful out here.
It's farmlands,
and
as far as I can see.
It is, and I don't think I've ever seen this many cornfields.
Soybean fields too.
And soybeans.
That's what we're going by now.
It is but it's amazingly beautiful, and we're having a good time. But anyway, I'm not going to keep you guys. I just wanted to say hello, good morning, and we'll talk to you later.
Generate by AI.